Diabetes and meal planning. Introduction. Insulin unlocks the receptors on cells to allow glucose to enter. Select true or false. Correct. Without insulin, the receptors on cells cannot open to let glucose enter. Glucose is what cells use to make energy. Eating a healthy diet and exercising regularly can help control or prevent diabetes. Select true or false. Correct. For some people who have type 2 diabetes, diet and lifestyle changes may control blood sugar so well that medication may not be needed. For others, diet and exercise can work alongside diabetes medication to help control your blood sugar. Eating too many carbohydrates can make blood glucose go too high. Select true or false. Correct. Choosing the right amount of carbohydrates can help control blood sugar levels. Is it possible to get all of the nutrients you need by just eating protein? Select yes or no. Correct. No single category of food can give you all the nutrients you need. Thank you for using Explain.